What's up, everyone? So I have did some work on the truck here, and we finally got it registered, and I'm gonna go for the first time take it out on the road. Hadn't been on the road yet since I had it, other than the street right here. So we're going to crank this up and get the tires replaced. I already got one of them replaced right there, and then put some fresh gas in it, and we're going to take it in town and get new tires for the rest of them. It's been such a long time since I've had this thing, been working on it. So anyway, got a new battery in it yesterday. Got a new battery in it yesterday, and so I'm gonna have to let this run for a little bit before I take it out. Let it idle and take it into town. Be the first ride again. We'll see if the stage stays running. Oh, staying running. Oh, starting to putt-putt. Starting to putt-putt. Come on. I had a little gas that's going to cut off. Let's see. There we go. Getting some of that clean, fresh gas in there. That old gas that I had in there is probably about 7 months old. And this stuff is that I have probably a month old. Anyway, let's take this thing out. Alright, here's the highway. Yeah, my brakes suck. Alright, here we go. We got it up to about 50. Oh, don't come out in front of me. This is probably the fastest it's been in I don't even know how many years. We'll get the tires changed on here and take it back to the house. I need to get the brakes fixed. We'll do that some other time. There's Interstate 20 right there, y'all. Right there. I hope my blinkers are working. I gotta hold it up and do that. Alright. Wow, I got it slowed down. Alright. Not bad. I was kind of worried about that. not knowing how the brakes are. Y'all have a good one.
Thank you.
Hey, appreciate it. Oh. Pulled around and took the keys out. Well, not those keys. Got too many keys in my pocket. Not those keys. Too many keys. Too many stinking keys. Here we go. Oh, crap. See, it's wanting to slip. Hear that? It's slipping. That's all right. We'll figure this part out. Not bad, not bad. I was kind of worried about stuff like that. And my wife's behind me. She rode back here behind me. Doesn't have a lot of power. Don't expect it to. I gotta really wash this thing. I didn't even bother washing the windshield or nothing. I just got all the leaves and the pine needles from that were on the windshield and in the back, because I have not touched this thing since we brought it home. It's been parked back there. This is going to take a lot of work, folks. A lot of cosmetic. I'm going to go and get these brakes done. That's the next thing I'm going to do, is get the brakes done. But obviously, cosmetically, it's got a long way to go. This is an old ranch truck. You know? Just an old ranch truck is all this is. An 81. Was sitting down in South Texas for years and got it from my wife's uncle, and hey, little by little, as time allows, guys, I appreciate you guys watching this video. finally get to do something. I know some of you guys are interested in this. Some of you guys, I posted the videos last year, in the summer of last year, and I haven't done anything more with it. And then, so this is like the first time I'm able to get this thing out legally out on the road. So, and I haven't, only road I've taken this down was this street right here, and this is a private road, you know. So I was just driving it just kind of like idling, kind of like I am now. Didn't really get it up to speed, so it was good to see. I got it up to about 50, 55, right in there, and so it's definitely definitely doing decent. He's probably just rattling. Look at it, just rattling. Just rattling. I'll probably get this thing out and take it by and get the brakes done. Put some gas in it. I need to do the oil change on it. I'll do the oil change myself, obviously, but the brakes, I'm taking it to somebody. Screw all that headache. And then, let's see, you know, we'll just see about making, you know, getting this thing running. Just keep it running and not let it sit for months at a time. All right. I appreciate you guys watching. I'm gonna back this thing in and go find something else to do on this Saturday.